In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a YouTube Shorts template in Canva. If you've ever struggled with getting the right size for vertical videos, this quick walkthrough will make sure your design fits Shorts perfectly every single time. A template sized correctly means your text won't get cut off, your graphics will be crisp, and you'll save time on every new project. Start on your main Canva dashboard. This is the home screen you see when you open Canva, where your recent designs and recommended formats appear. From here, look to the top left for the Create button. Depending on your device, it may say Create a Design, but it sits in that upper left area of the dashboard. Click it to open Canva's format picker. In the search field that appears, type YouTube. You'll see several options populate, like YouTube Video, Channel Art, and the one we want, YouTube Shorts. Selecting Shorts matters because it uses the 9:16 vertical aspect ratio, which is ideal for mobile viewing. The preset is sized to 1080 by 1920 pixels, so your canvas is exactly what YouTube expects for Shorts. Click YouTube Shorts to create your design. Canva will open a fresh canvas using the Shorts dimensions, and just like that, your template is ready. You don't need to adjust width or height, and you don't have to worry about orientation. The heavy lifting is already done. If you glance at the top bar, you'll usually see the format label confirming you're in a Shorts canvas, which is a nice reassurance that you're working in the right size. At this point, you can start building on the template immediately, confident it will fit perfectly on YouTube's vertical player. The big benefit of using this preset is consistency. Every time you start with YouTube Shorts, your layout, spacing, and visual flow will translate cleanly to the platform. If you design frequently, beginning with the Shorts format also keeps your workflow simple and reduces the chance of resizing issues later. To recap the flow you'll use each time, open your main dashboard, click Create at the top left, search for YouTube, then choose YouTube Shorts. That's all it takes to launch a correctly sized canvas you can rely on for any short-form video idea. Keeping this habit ensures your designs look polished and professional, without extra tweaking or guesswork. And that's it. Your YouTube Shorts template in Canva is set up and ready to go, perfectly fitted for vertical video content.